Welcome. In this tutorial, we will learn the basics of Microsoft Outlook. To open, click on Start menu. Point to All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Office Outlook 2007. This will open Microsoft Outlook configuration window. To add a new email account, click on Next. To configure an email account, select Yes and then click on Next. Now, enter your name, email address, type the password for your email account, retype the password here, and then click on Next. This will configure your new email ID. You can see you have successfully added your email account. Click on Finish. You have successfully added your email account to Microsoft Outlook. Now, you can check your mails and you can send mails. You can check your mails by clicking on Inbox. To read a message, select a message. The message will appear in the right window pane. You can read the message in the right window. Now we will learn how to send a message in Microsoft Outlook. To send a new mail, click on New. This will open a new message window. To send a message, write the email ID on which you want to send the message. You can also send this message to other users by writing their email IDs in this box. Write the subject. Type your message here. Now, to send this message, click on Send. You have successfully sent a mail. You have learned how to read and send a simple message in Microsoft Outlook. To exit Microsoft Outlook, go to File menu. Click on Exit.